Okay, I thought I'd make a little video on how to use, or one way to use laser cut sheet metal. You can get laser cut sheet metal in a tolerance of 0.10 millimeters. So pretty accurate welding fixture. It's just welded together, no milling, no drilling. So this is center part, so holding the pipe, and then just resting places for the hollow profile. This is how the finished part will look. It looks like that. They already made. It's a pre-stage, and it's just welded in one piece and later cut in a bandsaw for minimal distortion. This, if I recall right, made about 50 parts. If you just split it, you have 100 parts, right and left side. So I think it's a neat way to build a fixture, and you can all do it in a like Inventor 3D program, and you are pretty accurate welding fixture when you're finished, plus minus 0.10 millimeters. That's an easy part, or easy fixture to make. Okay.